Hello, I'm here with Fabrice Berroir, who is an engineer and lean construction expert. Thank you for joining me, Fabrice.
Welcome.
Why do you work in construction?
I've been working on construction site for more than 10 years and it's just an amazing sector because every project is different, very complex, and you just learn every day. The thing is, in such a context, people think that it is almost impossible to innovate. And my experience is that it is not only possible, but necessary.
And why is it necessary?
Because this sector has a lot of impact. Let's speak about construction logistics. For example, 30% of the tonnage carried across cities is construction material. For a city like Brussels, for example, it is 20% of the overall traffic. And here we are speaking about trucks, heavy vehicles. So a lot of disturbances, noises, pollutions, and it is very dangerous.
We see a lot of construction, of course, in Luxembourg as well.
Yeah, and speaking about danger, in Luxembourg, 24% of the accidents at work happen on construction sites or quarries. So this is huge, and this is mainly due to the fact that we have to move material all around, all day long. It is 70% of workers' time, and one material, on average, is moved 6 to 8 times on a construction site.
And sounds like a total waste of time.
Yeah, it should be one. With a proper logistic, it should be one, and this is what we do, actually.
And how do you do that?
Let's give an example. Imagine you are a plumber. Instead of the typical classical overloaded storage space where you have to go every day to look for the material, you go into the apartment and you find that. You have what we call a kit. It is ready, you just have to unpack it and you can work. And we have applied this in France, in Luxembourg, using a consolidation center. And it allowed us to divide by 3 the number of deliveries coming to the site, which is also equal to divide by 2 the CO2 emissions for these materials, of course, and to improve the productivity by 15 to 20%, which at the end of the day meant an increase of 5% in the margin, which is huge because in this sector we have usually 1 to 2% margin.
So really huge wins all around, but you need to get all of the stakeholders on board.
Yeah, exactly. The thing is you have to involve every stakeholder and to have the appropriate tool. And this is what we are working on. And here we have developed a digital twin tool, which is based on IoT, building information modeling, linked data, and optimization algorithm. And that allows you to take into account all the constraints related to logistics and to optimize it. And this is also a learning tool. We intend also to showcase it in engineering school, for example, to illustrate what is actually logistic, what are the problems related to that.
Well, Fabrice, the work is fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing it with us.
Yeah,
and I'm
you're
sure
welcome.
If anybody wants to get in touch with you, they know that you can get in touch with Fabrice Berroir at List.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.